Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I'm the head of Financial Education, Training and Capability Development for WealthTrade Malaysia. Today, I'm going to focus on the gold trend based on fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. Firstly, as we know, the Bank of Japan has basically hiked their interest rate, and this has causes the dollar to drop and the US stocks and also the bond yields to basically jump up. Secondly, as we can see, the oil prices has actually hedged up as well, and this is due to China, which is the world largest importer of crude, has fully come out from their zero COVID policy. Thirdly, as we can see, the US government is aiming to refill its Strategic Petroleum Reserve beginning with a 3 million barrel of oil in February. This will actually ensure that the prices of oil will actually soar up. As we can know from all these factors, the trend is bullish. The fundamental range that we are looking at is between 1816.74 to 1819.35. Moving forward with the technical analysis, as we are able to see here at the daily in the investing.com, we have 3 support points and also 3 resistance points based on Fibonacci. We have the first support point to be at 1793.46, the support 2 to be at 1784.64, for the support 3 is 1770.35, and all this is based on Fibonacci. And the resistance 1 has to be at 1822.02, for resistance 2 is 1830.84, and for resistance 3 is 1845.13. The first step that we can do is that to look at what our technical indicators are indicating. As we are able to see here, our technical indicators are basically telling us a strong buy. We will have to check with the weekly and also the monthly to see what does our technical indicators indicate. As we are able to see at the weekly, our technical indicators indicate a strong buy, and monthly is also giving us a buy as well. What we can do is that we can use another indicator which is known as the linear regression, and this will actually show us the trend as well. As we can look at the daily, we are able to see that our linear regression is basically showing us a slight uptrend and also neutral, and we can go forward with the other 2 time frames, which is the weekly and monthly. As we are able to see for the weekly, we can see that it is neutral and slight downtrend, and if we can look at our monthly, it is supporting more towards the uptrend. We will also have to use 2 types of strategy tester, which is known as the Bollinger Band strategy tester and also the RSI strategy tester. It is important to ensure that the Bollinger Band strategy tester and also the RSI strategy tester has a percent profitable which would be above 50%. As we can see over here, for our Bollinger Band strategy at the daily, we are able to see that it has a percent profitable about 64.57%, and for our weekly it has about 56.76%, and for our monthly we have about 36.36%. We will have to do the same with the RSI as well. As we are able to see, for the RSI strategy at the daily, we have about 66.67%. For the weekly, we have about 56.25%, and for the monthly, we have about 0%. As we are able to see here, it is important to ensure that the percent profitable for the RSI strategy and the Bollinger Band strategy tester is above 50%. However, our monthly time frame did not meet that requirement. Thus, we are not able to see at our monthly for the trend. We can rely on our daily and also our weekly. As we know, as based on our fundamental analysis, the trend is bullish, which means that if we look at our technical analysis as well at the daily and weekly, it is supporting more towards bullish as well. What we would do is that we would concentrate on the support 1, which would be our entry point at 1793.46, and we will take our take profit at 1807.74. This is one of the most easiest way in order to trade in the market. It has a 80 to 85% chances of winning in the market by using this strategy. If there is any further information that you need, kindly contact me, Gurmeet. May you have a wonderful day.